Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager, and I'm here with General Manager Dustin Swindeman. We're standing outside the Lithium. So real quick, before we get into this, Dustin, what is Lithium?
So Lithium is a wide body, entry-level toy hauler.
So we're talking under 100,000, under 80,000, under 60,000, under $40,000. Wow.
There you go.
So we're excited to have you guys take a look at year 2 of the Lithium toy hauler. I want to talk about some of the exterior features. So if you would, like we always do, let's start with the storage.
Yeah, the great thing about the Lithium is that it's got a good storage on the outside. Now it's not passive because this is generator prep.
Okay.
So underneath here, you've got about 30 square feet of storage in here, which is a good amount of storage on this. It's also got the AquaShed water doors on this. So what happens is the water is not going to leak on the inside of this, so you're never going to have any leaks. They've got a seal and it screws on the outside, which is a real nice feature you see on this product. Again, longevity, this will help keep the coach together for a long time. Also, what's neat about this is that we've got the tri-coat metal. So you've got 3 different colors on this. Just gives it a unique, aggressive look. Something that when you're coming down the road, people can see it. Some of the other great features is the outdoor shower course, hot and cold water for you on the door side. And this is where you do all your camping, everything's at anyway, so it's convenient, right? You've got a long 19-foot awning stretching from front to rear. This is going to keep the weather off you. It's all electric, so it's going to be basically nice to keep the shade on you. Along with that is you're going to have the LED light strip, along with undercarriage lighting also underneath here, which is going to give you that real nice night glow underneath here. People like to look good at night, so it's a very big feature for us. Along with that, of course, you've got 2 6.5-inch outdoor speakers, LED backlit. They sound great, connected to the stereo on the inside.
These are solid stairs.
Yeah, people like that feel of security when you're walking inside your coach. And this window, I mean, it's on the campground side. It's massive. You can see what's going on. Lots of light. People love that.
You got 2 swivel recliners here. Are these going to be standard?
Those are standard in this floor plan. What's really cool about this is we've lightened the interior up. This is all new wood comparison to last year's floor plans. What we also done is we went from a smaller refrigerator to an 8 cube. You're gonna have a lot more refrigerator space for those long nights out on the road. Along with that, we went to a nice solid pressed countertop here.
Okay.
Lots of space, lots of cooking area. That's key when you're out camping. Lots of these toy haulers that you get out there, they're smaller units. It's gonna be a real small area. So what we're doing is giving you a big area to cook with. Good place to put your stuff in when you walk on the door, along with, if you look on the inside, there's tons of cabinetry. You typically don't see that in a toy hauler. That's one of the downsides to most of them out there, is there's just not enough storage. So listen to everybody out there and all the customers, more storage, more countertop space, that's what we're doing.
Now before we get into the back of this coach,
Yep.
You've got seating here. Now will this also fold out?
Yep, this is actually a jackknife sofa. What this does, it folds out, turns into a bed, so it gives you additional sleeping on top of course, the 2 queen beds in the back.
Will a side-by-side fit into this unit?
This will fit any stock side-by-side out there. This is 14 feet long.
Okay.
So all your 4-seaters, anything like that, razors that are 4-seaters will fit in here. Width-wise, you're going to be 78 inches with a slide-out end, which will accommodate all the side-by-sides out there. And this is an 8-foot ramp door, so your approach angle is a lot less with the dovetail and the tough guard on the floor. And additionally, we've got 6 5,000-pound tie-downs throughout the coach.
And when we want to have sleeping arrangements, this Happy Jack system will convert into 2 queen-size beds.
Correct. What's great about this floor plan is that it's got a king-size walk-around bed in it. So you're going to get lots of room. A lot of toy haulers that are entry-level are going to come with a small queen. And it seems like nowadays everybody wants a king bed. And you'll get additional storage with that. Being the wide body, you've got plenty of cabinetry storage up top and 2 closets on each side.
When are these going to start being available?
These will start releasing mid-February.
If people want more information, where's the best place for them to look?
The best place for you is heartlandrvs.com or contact your local dealer.